Hey, welcome to Howza Channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to enable dark mode for the File Explorer. Press Windows and R on your keyboard. Type WINVER and click OK. You will see the current version of your system. Note, this won't work if your system version is below 1809. In such case, we recommend installing system updates. Go to the left bottom corner of your desktop and click on the Windows icon. The Start menu will pop up. You can see a small gear above the same Windows icon. Click on it. It opens a Windows Settings tab. Go to Personalization. Select Colors from the left side menu. Scroll down and look for Choose your default app mode. Check Dark. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!